That's good. Oh, I'm using yours. Yeah, on the cup. There you go. It starts it. That's why I did a pre-hole. And we'll go a little bit deeper. You go all by hand?
No.
No. I did that already. A little extra start there. So now it's actually going in and it's making its own threads. It's just the initial start. By hand. Okay, next one. A little bit.
Move on my shit. Move your finger, dude. Move your finger, dude.
You can only do one thing at a time.
Move your finger, dude.
Oh, no, one thing at a time here.
I can't measure it. Move your finger,
Well,
dude.
I can't put screw the thing completely in.
Please just move your finger a minute.
I'm done.
That's 13 on the nose. So that means it's 6.5, which is right there. Where the hell did my pen go? That ain't it. 6.5 is right there. You know that ain't it? Right there.
Oh, I can't see in the dark. You see it? Bad lighting out here.
Wait!
Wait. Double check.
6.5. 6.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there. How did I know? Because that was actually measured correctly. Don't hit my arm, please. Excuse me. I gotta have it in front of me so I can actually see. 6.5. 6.5. Right there.
Right in the middle. The last eye bolt.
I actually thought about getting out that Dremel tool and decorating the sides of it. Sure do.
Still can.
They don't care.
No, you can put Blue Jays on here only. Blue Jays only. Blue Jays only.
How about no Blue Jays?
We know they're gonna be all over it.
How about finches? How about no crows? I'm actually gonna make it short enough that crows won't be able to get in.
Okay. Don't think they. We got the crackles.
The grackles?
Grackles.
The grackles could get in it if they want to. They're out there doing their own thing.
Yeah, they're hanging in the barn garage. Another side to get these little quick, I call them quick disconnect links. As you can see, you can spin those up, tighten them down, and there you go. There you go, right on to that. Right here. I only got one of these, but guess we're gonna do. So you're gonna do knots. Do knots from here up to this, and then this one here, and then she's got a really big hook that she can use to hang on whatever. What was that? Oh, this is this the hook? Yeah, there it is. And there's the hook. So I can go through like that. She can hook it on to anything she wants, pretty much. Don't get that stuff stuck to your finger. It hurts.
It does. It
I
burns.
know, it burns.
But otherwise, this won't stay. It's got to be
I know,
melted.
yep. You do just a square knot. You know?
It's a square knot.
It's a square knot. You did no square knot. Or you can just put a square knot on the end because it won't pull through. You want to do that, you can do that, or you can make any kind of knot you want if you want. I don't care. Simpler the better, right? Totally up to you.
Get it out there.
Or you can do a firefighter.
It's
knot like
on the wrong side. That goes here.
This is the other one, right? Okay. All right.
I'd be okay with that knot if it was at the end.
We can go further down. We can double it up. Actually, we can do that. Two knots. Double.
If you can make that knot on all four of them, knock yourself out, because I can't make that knot. That is not my knot.
It's just a square
I
knot.
don't know how to make that square knot.
It's just a square knot. One. Two.
They need to be even, dude.
Easy.
They need to be even.
And chop that off and melt it. I said one down on the inside. I want that knot on the inside. Why don't you correct me?
Because you're the one who seems to know what you're doing with your
Before I
knot.
got my knot made.
You're the one who seems to know what you're doing with the knot. So you go ahead and knot it.
I got it.
I built it. You can make the knots.
I can make the knots.
They have to be the same length, though. See, when this here goes up here, they have to actually be the same length.
Right.
You're putting it in wrong. There you go. Putting it in wrong.
Putting it in wrong.
The hell's wrong with you?
Teach me how to put it in right.
Never get you to put it in right.
Gotta keep it clean here.
I can't, you know that.
Family.
You know that.
Gotta keep it family oriented, or I won't get any.
Sorry about your luck, dude. Sorry about your luck.
There we go.
No, wait!
No, wait! Forget.
You might be let some down.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
What's that? Don't make you too short, I'm telling you right now. You'd be sorry. Have to do it again. If this doesn't work out color-wise, then this twine stuff here, this climbing rope crap.
Nylon rope.
Yeah. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to get chains.
Okay.
I just thought that this is red and this would at least initially attract them to it.
Maybe, yeah.
Because they like red.
Red and white. Okay. So
Close enough for science, I guess. Okay, now. Ah! Darn it. No. Just go ahead and tighten it. Just go ahead and tighten it.
Okay.
Is it tight?
Yep.
See, and then this will just go right through it. Actually goes on a branch. Doesn't look, looks like it's crooked.
No, I don't think so. It's going to settle a little bit once it gets hanging too. So.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter though because this is able to be adjusted.
Right.
Because I just moved it. But yeah, this is going to hang on a branch, and then I'm going to put the bird seed in it, and they can, of course, have some of the ends of the strawberries that I bought.
Yep.
And that type of thing.
Awesome.
Hopefully they'll eat out of it.
Awesome. Now you can get your little Dremel out and etch on the side what birds are allowed and what birds aren't.
Yeah, well, not today. Although I might put this out tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to really decorate anything. It was just kind of a passing thought.
Right.
But well, now you'd be skippy. It's finally done. Only got one more left.
Yeah, we'll try that one and see how it performs. All right.
Well, I'm still making the other one. I have
Well, I
to.
know. Yeah, that's true.
I bought all the crap to make it.
Yep. How much you got invested in that?
Well,
Each one? You say about $20?
let's see. There's 14 for the wood and these little thingies.
Yeah, L brackets.
Um,
L brackets, and then about $3 for eye bolts.
There's screws and eye
Or eye
bolts.
screws, and then there's about
That's
those are
about 17.
about $3 in half inch screws.
So that's about 20.
I think about $20 invested. So, an
Yeah,
idea.
because this was like 90 cents.
And then the rope about 90 cents, and the other hook probably about another $1 or so.
It was in like another $1.29, I think, or $1.19.
So for about $20 invested, a little bit of time. How much was the? How much was the?
Yeah, I was gonna say that was my most expensive thing.
The mesh.
The mesh cost me
And you got
$4 for 3 pieces,
Right.
and the first piece I used I screwed up. The second piece I used is right there, and then I have one piece left right here.
And the mesh you got where?
Walmart
Walmart. You got the what mesh over in the
craft section.
craft section,
And I think I figured out what I did wrong.
and the wood you got at Walmart or the Lowe's, and the L brackets you got at Lowe's. So, thank you, dear. Awesome.
You betcha.
You're great. Oh, look in the next one. Smile. Say subscribe. Don't forget to comment.
Subscribe. Don't forget to comment.
And definitely share.
And don't share that shit because it ain't yours.